Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, not in today's or yesterday's newspaper of Sunday the 9th or April the 10th. It's actually Sunday the 10th, and we don't receive any newspaper on Sunday. There is also no additional in the Saturday edition. So I've decided to solve the edition of Tuesday, April the 5th, 2022. We have two puzzles left, tectonic and the binary. But it's time for the binary now. Time for the binary number 4388. Yeah, 4388. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Then, yeah. Well, if you compare this row and the last row, it's almost the same. 0011, 00111100. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Otherwise we have identical rows. Not allowed, one of the rules. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then let me see. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 3 ones, and I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So I know so this in this column we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So those 2 boxes should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Okay. Yeah. Do we have a double one here? Oh. 10. Do we have a 10 here? Think. We need to compare, but I need to find this column and that column. Okay, 111100, empty box 110000. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Okay, double 1. Here no, there no. Okay. Do we need to compare again? Yeah. Cannot believe this. Compare again. 10, 10. We have a 10, 10 here. No. 10. Oh, here, 10. Oh, not the same. Not the same. 101. Not the same. This one is almost, yeah. This column, this row, and that row. Empty box. 110000110011. Empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Completed in 7 minutes. Well, a lot of comparing. But I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today. It will be a tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.